Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Barbican Road. As you can see, this road was recently renovated. It's a dual carriageway with a concrete barricade. And Barbican Road runs all the way from Grandspend to Ligony. So we're actually going to be driving into Ligony today. So let's take the tour. So Barbican Road runs through the Barbican area, which is Kingston 6 in Jamaica. So at this stoplight now, if you turn left, you go into Russell Heights, and that's the Russell Heights main road. And that road takes you through the Russell Heights area and up to the Cherry Gardens area. Straight ahead where you see that zinc fence, that used to be Shields and Shields. Very popular store in Jamaica. They used to sell plants and gardening supplies. Actually, they're still there. They just don't operate using the entire land they used to. Where you see the zinc, that part is just an empty lot now. And here on the left is where they operate from. Okay, so straight ahead is construction, and almost every street in Jamaica has construction going on. It's definitely a booming industry in Jamaica. Alright, so this is now the Barbican area, more like the Barbican community. So on the left and the right you have homes, and then up here now you have, straight ahead I should say, you have more of the commercial part of Barbican, where you find the hardware stores, the supermarkets, the restaurants, the bars, pharmacy. So on the right is High-Low Supermarket, on the left is basically a lot of food stores, those kind of stores. Straight ahead is Fontana Pharmacy. On the left is Barbican Square. Alright, these people just, I don't know. This is a very peculiar spot to come out of. No, there are 3 lanes here. The 2 lanes, the lane on the left is to go straight, and the 2 lanes to the right are to turn. And at this intersection, if you turn right, you go onto East Kings House Road. If you go straight, you go on to, you stay on Barbican Road and head up to Ligony. So I guess we should switch lanes. But there's always a lot of confusion at this spot. So you see that taxi is coming out and to go on east, but they just ran the red light. Always a lot of confusion. So here now you turn left, you go up into Jacks Hill, which is one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. On the left is a Texaco gas station. Very popular, been there for years. So we're still on Barbican Road heading towards Ligony. And straight ahead you can see even more construction going on. So this intersection is Ligony Avenue. And you take Ligony Avenue back to Hope Road. Ligony Avenue also goes through the Golden Triangle. Turn left here and you go up to Millsboro, and that's Millsboro Avenue. Millsboro, you turn left, you go into the Millsboro community or neighborhood, which is also one of the top neighborhoods in Jamaica. On the right is Dewsbury Avenue. Now on the right here is Paddington Terrace, and Paddington Terrace takes you through the Golden Triangle back to East Kings House Road. Alright, so the intersection we're coming up to now, you turn left, you go onto Whitcomb Road. And Whitcomb takes you up to Millsboro and Mountain Spring. But we're going to go right and stay on Barbican Road and go into the Ligonier area. So in Ligonier now you're going to find a lot of plazas. On the right is Sovereign North, on the left is Progressive Shopping Center, on the left coming up is Orchard Village, then you have Lane Plaza coming up on the left, and then straight ahead you have Sovereign. So this intersection now, turn left, you go on Old Hope Road, go straight across, you go on Old Hope Road and head towards Crossroads. Turn left, you take Old Hope Road up to Ligonier. Turn right, you take Hope Road down to Halfway Tree. So this intersection now, turn left, you go on Old Hope Road, go straight across, you go on Old Hope Road and head towards Crossroads. Turn left, you take Old Hope Road up to Ligonier. Turn right, you take Hope Road down to Halfway Tree.